Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm excited because I just got in my Whiff box. So this is the Whiff box for December and we're going to open it up together. All right, you guys. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. Comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So I'm so excited to open up my Whiff box for December. But first, we're going to talk about what is a Whiff box. So a Whiff box is a subscription box, kind of like, I don't know, Ipsy, Bark Box, you know, Cat Lady Box. And it comes with sample size and full size products. And you definitely are getting a deal. And so I'm excited to open it up. You can get it once, you can get it one time. You can gift it to people. You can put it in your Scentsy club and get it every month. If you can also get it every other month or every 3 months in the Scentsy club. So it's very cool. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh, they use different crinkle paper this time. Okay. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so it says, "'Tis the season for sweets." I love sweets. All right, so let's see. Oh, homemade hot chocolate recipe. And it's in different languages. So there's a homemade hot chocolate recipe, which I won't make because I'm just going to open up a packet, pour it in, put water, a little bit of milk. Actually, you guys, here's a tip. A little bit of coffee creamer. That's what I do. Do a little bit of coffee creamer. Anyway, so let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so we are getting, oh, we got cranapple crumble. We got a bar of cranapple crumble, which I do love. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Okay. Then we are getting, oh, mango margaritas. Are we getting a collection coming soon? Mango margaritas. Why are we getting this? Usually we get the scent for the next month. When is this coming out? Why are we getting this? I'm excited. Sounds to me like we're getting a new collection. Okay. And then, oh, we got more hand cream, which is great because you guys, I've been making bundles and using up all my hand creams that I had. And so I needed new more. I was like, friend asked me for bundles, so we're bundling. And yeah, so coconut daiquiri hand cream. Ooh, that sounds good. Coconut daiquiri hand cream and mango margarita. I'm excited. Ooh, I got another bar. Hold on, I got a cough. Got another bar. Ooh, marshmallow mint cocoa. One of my favorites. One of my favorites. I love this scent. Love it. I got a ton of it though because I had it in my club for a long time. And then I also bought, man, you guys, this scent is crazy good. This scent is crazy good. Oh, man. Oh, man. This is so good. So good. I actually haven't been using mine because I've been using my Christmassy scent and I want to use mine. That's exactly this scent that I have. I want to use it after Christmas for winter, like January, February. That to me, like that's when we start getting a lot of rain and it gets cold. That's when I want to use my, it's all strategy with me. I use it at certain times. This is kind of crazy. This is different stuff. Wow, this is different. Have you guys ever seen crinkle paper like this? Interesting. I don't know. The little things that interest me are, I don't know. Most people are like, yeah, who cares? All right, so let's see. What scent is this? Fragrance flower. We got a fragrance flower. Oh, gosh. I'm going to have to... Oh, it's vanilla bean. So we got a vanilla bean fragrance flower. Is it the dahlia? Hold on. I can't read. Let's open it up. I want to see. Does it say on here? You guys, my eyes are terrible. Let's see if it says it on here. It's, oh, I think it's the Buttercup Bell. It's the Buttercup Bell. So I'm going to put that back in. The Buttercup Bell Vanilla Bean Buttercream. Okay, so what did we get? What is all the jazz that we got? All right, so we got the Buttercup Bell fragrance flower. We got, you guys, marshmallow mint cocoa. I hope they're bringing this back in a collection. I hope that's why we got it, because this scent is amazing. You want this in your club if they do bring this back. Okay, the next thing, cran apple crumble, which is just delish. Love that one. Coconut daiquiri hand cream, love. And if you guys see my hands right now, I've been cleaning and they're super dry because I've been washing them like a million times and cleaning the house. Anyway, and mango margaritas. I can't wait to find out why we got this. Come on, Scentsy, give us some clues. All right, you guys, so that is the Whiff box for December, and I'm down for it. What do you guys think? So anyway, I hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.